Welcome to a new video. Hair is out because this is a hair video. Plain and simple. I'm new to the twist out game. Some nights I just cornrow my hair just to protect it, but I was experimenting this night and using a couple products to see what a twist out would look like on my hair, and it was popping. Okay, it was beautiful. I've been asleep. That's what this video is going to be. It's going to be me showing you how I do my twist out. Let's get into it. Boom, 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 boom. These are the products that I'm going to be using. Gotta be honest, I wish this smelled better. It smells like Play-Doh, but it gets the job done. All right, detangled hair and stretched out hair. Those are the two things I suggest before you even do this twist out. I went ahead and detangled my hair, so it is now ready for the twisting process. I start off by sectioning my hair. I don't really care to have clean parts because in the morning I'm gonna want to separate my hair. I'm gonna want to fluff it out and volumize it. So I don't really care about how my scalp looks. It's not even gonna be showing. I start off with the Avocado moisturizing milk. An actual dime size. Us natural hair girls don't know what dime size means, but an actual size of a dime for this. And then I go in, almost out. Then I go in with this olive oil hair lotion, and I'm gonna focus that on my ends, and I'm gonna focus it on the root of my hair. Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. And while I'm holding on to it, so I'm gonna reach in, split this in two, still holding on to it, and I'm gonna start twisting. Simple twist, you see it. And after a few twists, I like to go back in and brush it again. When it comes time to unravel it the next day, sometimes, I don't know, it's just tangled. So I just like to keep making sure it's brushed out, and I'll even hold it down. Boom, boom, boom. Sometimes I feel like I still need some olive oil on my ends, my split ends, honestly. So I may go in with a little bit and add it to the ends of my hair again. I'm gonna twist as far as I could get, and then there. Wow, okay. Even when I let go of it, it still keeps the length. Okay, all right, I'm gonna do it one more time. So I'm gonna speed it up for the people in the back, for the people who are listening. Catch up, detangle, hair milk, dime sized, olive oil, okay. Rub, 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 two hands, ends of the hair, moisturize, pull, moisturize, roots of the hair. You're catching on, you're catching on. Detangle, right? Hold, world stop, split, twist, 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 detangle. Sometimes there's more hair on one side than there is on the other. So while I'm twisting, I may steal a little from one side just so that it's even. Let's do this. This is the finished product. As you can see, the twists don't go all the way to the root of my hair, which is kind of what I want, so I still have length when it's time to take the hair out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and show you guys how I wrap it because there's just a way I wrap it. Okay. Done. Now it's time for bed. I will see y'all in the morning when it's time to unravel the twists. Sleep tight.
It's now the next day, and all I'm gonna use is this olive oil sheen spray to take the twists out. Once all the twists are undone, I'm gonna add a little more of that sheen spray so that there's slip when I'm separating the sections. Separating the sections will add volume to your hair, but another way that I add volume is that I slide my hands against my scalp, I shake and I pull at the same time. And then I keep messing with my hair. I'll flip it over, shake it out some more, and then I'll continue to mess with my hair through the day, separate more sections, flip it side to side, drive with the windows down. All of that helps add volume. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can follow me at Dope Ethiopian across all socials, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.